Hello everyone. I'm excited to share with you project number ones are done, or at least those of you who submitted project number ones, you're done. I look forward to reading and grading those over this weekend. I look forward to seeing how you start your research. Honestly, the whole point of this video is to play cheerleader. Go, go, go. Because this deadline is probably going to be one of the toughest deadlines that you have for this class. So down here where it says collect sources, this is a big assignment, folks. So you're going to have to go to project 2. You're going to have to right click, make a copy, like Isabella already has. Open it up. Come up here in the left-hand corner, put in your last name. So I'm going to pretend Rodrigo. You're going to type your name, you're going to type the topic from project number 1, or if you already know you want to do a different topic or one of your other topics you talked about, that's fine. The course is designed to stay with the same topic, but you'll also find that once you start researching, your topic's going to shift anyways, and that's all normal. So this is a worksheet, and you're going to basically complete this worksheet over the next 2 deadlines, which is next week. It's going to go fast. And what's asking you to do is go out to library databases, GCC library databases, which you'll do a lesson and I tell you which one. So here, JSTOR or academic search. So let's go to JSTOR. Go to the library databases. I just updated it. Hold on. Let's see if it picked the update. No. Come on. I literally just updated it before doing this video. There we go. This should do it. Ha ha. Okay, so JSTOR is a database. You're going to do this. But what I want to show you is it's not enough just to find the article. So here's, I typed in distance learning. Notice I got 8,000 search results. That's overwhelming. This is some of the content you'll learn from the library. I'm going to focus on journals because those are usually scholarly peer reviewed, and that is a part of your assignment. I personally am excited about this gender and distance learning. So I want to draw your attention to something, that this activity only asks that you share your results. Notice it just says write down the following information. Let's make this bigger so you can see it. And it's just the bibliographic information, which you could grab from here. But folks, I want to stress that you probably should download the PDF of the full article. Blah, I'll get that out. Because you're going to need this later. You're actually going to need the information. So go ahead and download it. And also it's useful to come in and read the abstract, see if it's something you really want, if the article has an abstract. Not all of them do. But in this instance, download the article because you're going to need it. Part of what you're doing for this assignment is not only finding these resources, but reading them and summarizing them and evaluating them. That's all project 1. Okay, so 1, that me reminding you to download the resources, and I'm going to show you in a minute why that's important. 2, you're going to be looking for your topic across different major disciplinary branches in higher education, so arts and humanities, sciences, and social sciences. You might have to think a little creatively about this. So for example, I saw someone is writing about, their project 1 is about visiting Jerome. And I mean, trust me, search in here just for Jerome. You might find it in all 3, but then you might also want to do things like, since that's a travel, travel in the Southwest, or art in the Southwest, or art in Arizona. See how I'm broadening it just a little to see if there's more. Ideally, when you do research, you keep it nice and tight, but because some of your project 1s are already really, really focused, to do this assignment in the sense that you're looking for it in terms of the sciences. So for example, the sciences, visiting Jerome, you might find things about deserts, weather, stuff like that, if that makes sense. Social sciences might be about groups in those areas. So with this particular assignment, the annotated bibliography, to fulfill the requirement of finding sources in the major categories of social science, science, and arts and humanities, you may have to go a little broader with your topic. Project 3, you will narrow back down again. But okay, I'm hoping this is making sense, or it'll make sense as you start doing this. Finally, I want to draw your attention to, I did ask that you do a note-taking assignment. Hold on, let's get logged into PowerNotes here. I want to turn it on. There we go, enable. That's what I'm looking for. I'm asking you to, let's see. Why is it not? Sigh, it's not behaving for me right now. Well, I'm asking you to use PowerNotes to take notes in your document. And oh, here we go. It's buried under the video down here. Ta-da-da. There we go. Okay, so I need to go and find another project. New project. So it looks. So part of what you'll be doing with PowerNotes, it's a kind of a wrapper for your browser, is you will highlight stuff. So remember, one of the things you're going to have to evaluate is the authority and credibility of the author. So here, you might highlight, and it's new project. Ooh, hold on, come on. Topic 1. Author is getting PhD. So this is kind of a note about this author and that she's getting a PhD, and that's a reminder for you when you have to evaluate them. So you might want to go look at the grading criteria for Project 2 before you start taking notes, because when you're taking notes, you're going to be two major things that you want to do for Project 2 is, one, kind of summarize what the article is, what it says, and then evaluate it. Why is it why should you believe it? Why is the author credible? Why is the publication credible? That kind of stuff. So those might be the frameworks you want to take notes as you're reading. Okay, I've rambled on for 8 minutes. I'm hoping this will get you started, but the one thing I do want to just stress is this is going to take time. This is going to take more time than you give it, and you will be angry with me, and I'm very aware of that, but that's kind of the nature of doing secondary research, and secondary research is the nature of the type of research you will be asked to do as an undergraduate in college. So welcome to scholarship in academia. Okay, everyone, good luck, and I look forward to reading Project 1s and seeing your research as you start on Project 2.